Hello, good evening. Welcome to this Amul live show. I thank Miss Anusha and Abhishek Varghese and Suresh Lakshmi Narayanan for giving this opportunity to me. I am going to make sweet modak for this first anniversary day. Every festival without fulfill any sweets. So I make this recipe sweet modak. My name is Alamelu Varadarajan. I am from Erode, Tamil Nadu. I am having the YouTube channel Mrs. Ramya Varadarajan Namma Aathu Thaligai. So many easy tasty recipes are there. I am putting so many yummy vegetarian foods in Tamil version, and also I am having this participate in Amul of past 4 months in all every Tuesdays in traditional recipes. I thank Anusha and Suresh Lakshmi Narayanan sir for this giving this opportunity. This sweet recipe is called sweet modak. Here we are called Suyam, Siyam, Suriyam. Some other called Suriyam. Suriyam means shape in zero. So the sweet is in zero shape. So I am going to prepare this recipe. First I am going to show you what are the ingredients. First I take 1 cup of grated coconut, half cup of jaggery and 2 elaichi or cardamom and some nuts. I take cashews, grated cashews, 2 teaspoon of Amul ghee and 200 ml of cooking oil, pinch of salt. I take half cup of all-purpose flour, that is maida. If you wish, you use rice flour for this binding purpose. First I am going to start. Any doubt, just comment, I will say and clarify. Here we make this recipe for Krishna Janmashtami, that is called Gokulashtami. And other festivals. First heat the kadai and add some ghee. 2 teaspoon of ghee I put. No need to grind or soak. Amul giving this opportunity for so many students and home chefs and executive chefs. This stage, adding half cup of jaggery into this coconut, roasted along with jaggery. The jaggery will melt golden color. When golden color is come, we will take out. Keep it in slow flame. We make this recipe for Ganesh Chaturthi also. I thank for all viewers joining with us. I add the cardamom. No need to add water. 2-3 minutes we will sort it. Hello ma'am. Atul Desai, hello. Sangeeta ma'am, thank you. Sweta, thank you ma'am. This is a traditional recipe from Tamil Nadu. This stage I am going to make a paste for outer portion. I am adding half cup of maida all-purpose flour to make a paste with pour some water. The paste will so I am adding a small pinch of salt in this flour and to make a paste without any lumps. Hello Lata ma'am, thank you. This consistency is, I am adding some more water. For this, the jaggery will melt and the puran will come. Now our puran will come with 2 minutes. Now I am adding this cashews. Thank you ma'am, Ashu ma'am. Now melted. 1 minute we will wait and keep it aside. It's very hot, so I am going to heat a pan with oil for frying this sweet modak. This is a first show, my first show in Amul. So many shows I conducted in Amul TN on all Tuesdays in the name of Parambariya Samayal or traditional recipes, traditional Tuesdays. Now our puran is ready. Just you take and check it. It's going to now I am keep the kadai here and heat the pan, another pan, and add some oil. It will hot. In between the time, I am going to make. Okay, ma'am. I am going to make instant bonda by using idli mavu batter. Idli batter. I am using 1 cup of idli batter. Salted butter. If you wish, fresh batter or fermented butter. Guest will come. We will make this recipe easily. I am adding curry leaves, peppercorns, half teaspoon of jeera, cumin seeds, adrak, ginger, and coriander leaves. Good morning, ma'am. Pratibha, ma'am. This is very easy instant bonda by making batter. Hello, Rinku, ma'am. Now oil is hot. I am going to make a bonda by using idli mavu, otherwise instant bonda by using idli batter. Jitesh, thank you. repeatedly turn the board. Hello, ma'am. Easy to make and very tasty. Now our bondas are ready. Give it away. I'm going to make a puran in small size gooseberry size balls. Now only it will cool. This recipe is very tasty. All children like this recipe. Easy to make. Now our batter is also ready. Now I am going to dip the modak, that is puran, into the flour. Now I will put it in the oil. One by one, have to put it in the oil. Just dip the purans into the flour. I am using maida. If you wish, you are making this recipe by using rice flour also. Just to turn one by one. It's very crispy and tasty recipe. The outer layer is very crispy and the inner layer is very soft to eat. Now our sweet modak, otherwise called CM, is ready. I am putting another batch. Any doubt? Please comment. I will rectify you. Now our sweet modak is ready. Now our recipes are ready. I am going to make this recipe. I take 1 cup of grated coconut, half cup of jaggery, and 2 cardamoms or elaichi, and few grated cashews, and I am going to make for binding purpose. I am using little bit of salt and all purpose flour, that is maida for outer portion, 2 teaspoon of ghee for salt the grated coconut and jaggery. Only 4 ingredients for puran. One is grated coconut, jaggery, cardamom, and few nuts if you want, otherwise you are restricted, and 2 teaspoon of ghee. Any doubts? Now I am finishing my this live show. Thank you for this opportunity for all viewers and Suresh Lakshminarayan sir and Anusha for this great job. Thank you, Amul team. Thank you.